I love the idea of um, buying a brand new home that no one had lived in. And so that part was very appealing to me, to be able to just have my finishes on it and me get to just start from the beginning and know that I was the first person to ever live in the home. My name is Janet Robertson, and I live in Britton Farms. I had heard of them for years and had seen their neighborhoods as I was driving through, the Oklahoma City area, especially in the profession that I had. I got to see a lot of different neighborhoods, but I was always very impressed with the Tabor's home. And then also my son and his wife bought a home and just knew that it was just quality built, and Craftsman style was my favorite. And so that was appealing to me as well because that's what I got. It was probably the easiest process I've ever had purchasing a home. My sales rep was amazing and very patient because we did look at several throughout even several different subdivisions. And it was just, I couldn't have asked for a better experience. My favorite thing about our home is just how soft and worn it is. If I didn't get to choose the finishes, but it's like they read my mind and chose everything that I would have chosen in a home, as far as the color of the cabinets, the color of the flooring, and the even the mantle, like, and just having a cathedral ceiling. Those were just all things that I would have chosen, and so it just feels like home. And just the open concept of when my big family is there and we're all together, I never feel like I'm separate from them, and I'm getting to just enjoy the family, even if I'm in the kitchen working. I highly, highly recommend Tabor Homes.